Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm really glad you found this video. Are you getting ready to take your UK driving theory test but not quite sure how to book it? Maybe you're a bit confused by the process or just want to make sure you're doing it the right way. Don't worry, you're definitely not alone, and you have clicked on the right video. In this video, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process of booking your DVLA theory test appointment using the official gov.uk website. I will also quickly explain what the theory test is and who actually needs to book it, just to make sure we're all on the same page. Before we jump into the booking process, let me quickly explain what the driving theory test actually is. The UK driving theory test is the first step towards getting your full driving license. It's designed to check your understanding of road rules, signs, and safe driving practices. The test has two parts. 1. A multiple choice questions based on the highway code, road signs, and general driving knowledge. And 2. Hazard perception section where you'll watch video clips and click when you spot a developing hazard. You need to pass both parts to move forward to the practical driving test, and if you fail one part, you'll need to retake the entire test. So preparation is key. Who needs to book it? Now, who actually needs to book this test? If you're applying for your first full UK driving license and haven't passed a theory test before, this is for you. You'll need to have a provisional driving license before you can book the test, and this applies whether you're learning to drive a manual or automatic car. Also, if you're a foreign license holder looking to switch to a UK license for certain vehicle categories, you might be required to take the theory test depending on your country of origin. Now that we understand what the theory test is and who needs to book it, let's dive into the step-by-step process of booking your DVLA theory test appointment online. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Type in UK driving theory test in the search bar. When the results appear, select the option with the gov.uk website. Always make sure you're using the official government website to avoid extra fees or scams. On this page, you'll find all the basic information you need to know before booking your theory test. You can book your driving theory test for cars, motorcycles, lorries, buses, and coaches, depending on what license you're applying for. To book your test online, you'll need three things: your UK driving license number, a valid email address, and a credit or debit card. Now, to start the process, simply click on the Start Now button. This page asks if you need support during your theory test. The test is only available in English, Welsh, or BSL. Support is offered for reading difficulties, disabilities, or health conditions, like voiceovers, extra time, or sign language. Choose yes if you need support, or no if you don't. Then click Continue to move on. Now enter the driving license details of the person taking the test. Make sure everything matches exactly as shown on the license. You will need to enter your last name, first and middle names, date of birth and 16-character driving license number. Once all details are filled in correctly, click Continue to go to the next step. On this page, you need to enter your email address. This will be used to send you updates related to your theory test. Click on the Confirm Email Address button to receive a security code. On the next page, enter the security code you received in your email. Once entered, click Continue to proceed. On this page, choose the type of theory test you want to book, like car or motorcycle, depending on your eligibility and needs. Once selected, click Continue to move ahead. On this page, select the language you want to take your theory test in, English or Welsh. Once you've chosen, click Continue to proceed. On this page, select if you need any support during your theory test, like on-screen British Sign Language or a voiceover. If you don't need any support, choose I don't want support and click Continue to move on. Next, you will need to find a theory test center near you. Enter your postcode, then click on Find a Theory Test Center to see the available test center in your area. From the list of centers shown, select the one that's most convenient for you, then continue. On this page, enter the date you want to check for test availability, then click Continue to see the available test slots. If there are no slots available on the date you entered, you'll see a message saying that no slots are available for that day. It will also show you the closest available date at the test center you selected. You can enter another date on this page and check again for available slots. If slots are available, you'll see them listed on this page. Select the date and time that works best for you, then click Continue to proceed. On this page, review all your details carefully, including your personal information and test details. If everything looks correct, click Continue to proceed to the payment. On this page, enter your card details to pay for the theory test you're booking. For me, it costs £23 since I'm taking the test for a car license. Once your payment is successful, you'll see a confirmation page with all the important details you need. On this page, there's also a link to help you prepare for the test. Feel free to check it out if you are interested. Plus, there's a list of things you must be ready with on the day of your test, so make sure to go through that as well. You will also receive a confirmation email confirming that your test has been successfully booked. And that's it! You now know how to book your DVLA theory test step by step. Remember to double-check all your details when booking, prepare well using the official resources, and arrive ready on your test day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more useful guides, and share it with anyone else preparing for their driving test. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your theory test.